Hello everybody, I'm back again today to show you what I found under my microscope. So let's take a look. Alright, I'm going to put an onion skin under the microscope, and you see the layers of flesh being in between the layers of an onion. There's a skin, and it's attached. If you peel that skin off, you see it? Here's the skin right here. This is the skin that separates the layers of the onion. I'm going to put it on a slide. And I want to put a little water on it, but it tends to curl up and not allow the water to penetrate because it's a little hydrophobic, you know? So it's hard to get the water to spread out on the onion skin. So I'm just going to put a very, very little coating of water so you can see, and I'm going to cover it with a cover slip. As you can see, it looks like a brick wall. These horizontal structures are cells. In each cell has a nucleus that holds the DNA and stores all the information that makes an onion an onion. When looking at these structures under a microscope, you can use a stain to make the nucleus more pronounced and more visible to the eye. Here, I stained the onion skin with iodine, and you can see here all those little brown dots are little nucleuses inside each and every cell. It's an amazing thing to see. If you'd like to see more of these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. God bless you.